I think the key themes that came out of Davos for investors are around inequality and the need to reduce global inequality by improving access to education and therefore improving access to markets and to wealth generation. And that also involves more infrastructure spending to bring communities that are divorced from markets closer to markets. And Davos also had some other really important themes around climate change, around the need for governments to work closely together, around the need to continue to have open markets, and around the need, for instance, to continue to have the sort of open approach, which means that shared problems can be dealt with, like climate change, cybersecurity. All of those issues, I think, have opportunities for investors to be able to participate in some of the implied projects that lie behind the solutions to those problems.
One of the major topics in Davos was the Global Risk Report. 2015 marks the 10th edition. The report is really compiled by 3 universities, Oxford, Singapore, and Wharton Business School. What they do is that they rank risks along 2 axes, likelihood and impact. Now, an immediate added value is that they look beyond economic and political risks and consider environmental, technological, and social risks. Now, let me give you my key takeaways from the discussion in Davos. If we look at both rankings, so the list of risks by likelihood and the ranking of risks by impact, 2 risks really stand out. The first one is the failure of political systems. Did you know that in 2015 there will be 8 parliamentary elections in EU countries? Greece is the obvious recent example to reference. The second big risk is the failure of water supply, a water crisis. Now, by 2025, more than 1.8 billion people will live in areas plagued by water scarcity, and 2/3 of the global population living in areas that are water stressed. So it is really our responsibility to conserve, manage, distribute, and recycle fresh water as much as we can. There's one major theme which was not identified as a key risk, but is nevertheless important for all of us, and that is that technological change is faster than ever. In areas such as synthetic biology and artificial intelligence, new capabilities are created which will have powerful benefits for all of us. At the same time, they produce hard to foresee risks. Now here you have it. Risk and opportunity are 2 sides of the same coin.